Iconic, 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 iconic. I'm under the icon. The brown. Oh, Jesus, you guys, have you seen the Iconic Sisters new music video? Man, that shit is funny. Even the comment section made it funnier. What? You guys, I'm at the bus stop and I can't see bus. There is no bus, so people for me or I beg Monday morning. Yeah. See people waiting for bus. You can just imagine, no bus on ground. I finally got bus after struggling. You guys, these people almost fell me down. I was just like, see, anytime I get to work, I don't feel myself, I beg. If you are planning to come to Lagos, my advice for you is to just stay where you are, because you guys, the traffic jam here is crazy. One donut. Two fish and one donut. Donut. You guys, I don't even know how I forgot that I was filming. I forgot I was vlogging. I didn't even vlog. What's the word? See, I had a really stressful day. I'm not even going to lie. Right now the rain is falling. You can see me. I'm just looking so God. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Man, my voice is somehow this morning because overnight I developed a sore throat and a mini catarrh. I guess it was because of the rain that fell. So yeah. I forgot to vlog. I forgot to complete my vlog yesterday. I could not even film my day at work and all of that. And that was because I had a really stressful day. So, and when I was even coming before, the rain was falling, so I could not even like. Let me remember saying make a vlog like I couldn't remember that I was vlogging, so I just had to like leave the whole thing. Hopefully I remember, Sha. I feel so tired this morning. I'm not even going to lie, but I just have to keep the energy up or energy high. I think that's the correct thing, yeah. So go girl, go girl, go girl. I bet where are we going to? Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah, bye. I'm so shy to film in public because there are a lot of people that are looking at me right now and they're wondering that what's this girl doing. She's talking to herself. Hope she's not mad. Please, I'm not mad. I just want to feed my YouTube family. You know anyone? Please tell me I'm not the only one that gets bored by reading books. Please. Hope I'm not weird. So I've decided to do something here. I want to invest in hard copy books. When I'm going to work, I just read as a journey. Yes. I got this book, Show Your Work. Salem King, thank you. I've been influenced. Salem King recommended this book for creators and I decided to grab a copy. I've not started it though, but I'm going to start it tomorrow. Fingers crossed.
lunch break is over. So you guys, let me tell you a little bit about myself for those that are new here and don't know me. My name is Blessed Sarah Omolola, the girl with the compound name. So I started learning data analysis last year, August. I learned from Data Click. Then by October, I started an internship, a paid internship. Rather, I paid for registration at Intempulse. I started that till December. Then I started actively looking for work in January. And here I am in April. I have a job, but I got that job through recommendation. I got recommended by my mentor. That is why I cannot overemphasize you sharing your work in public. Build in public. Let people know what you can do. Tell people what you can do. You never know where the opportunity is going to come from.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning.
Now that I've started working for my own money, I now appreciate everything that my parents has been doing for me. Don't get me wrong, not that I don't appreciate them. I see the weight, the burden that they have to go through, because adulthood, it is not adulting at all. Sometimes I keep on wondering that why do I have to work for money? Why do I have to work for money? This is our generation here. Are we even ready for adulthood? I'm at work already, and this is just me working. Obviously. So I was just cleaning a data set that we needed to use for a report. The data set was not all that dirty, but yes, I have to clean it. And I cannot show you guys my screen because I still love my job. Duh. I woke up late today. I could not make lunch, so I decided to get something here at a restaurant. You guys, guess what I got? Guess before I reveal it to you. Yay! I bought pounded yam and egusi. This food was so delicious. Oh my god. I know some of you will say, why is she foaming? Why is she using spoon? She not use her hand. I better go, leave me, let me eat the way I know how to eat.
So I said, I'm a private person now. That puts me.
That will not concern me. I will see that video when we go.
If it's your.
Can you imagine? And you're just going, hey, yeah, in my vlog, go show you. Nice. Oh, it is late already. Wait for me, oh. Very good. Who is that? Okay, true, I don't know.
Just other people are electric now.
You guys, I'm home at last. Man, maybe it's dark. I can't even see anything, but this is my street. Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay. What's the time now? Let me see. This is 9:30. 9:32 rather. Man, Lagos is not a real place. I'm not like, what the hell? Lagos is not a real place. You guys, this tastes so nice. I plan on eating just a little before, but okay, oh, flat stomach in the mud. My god is a calorie burner, hey, calorie burner, hey. My god is a calorie burner, hey. Yesterday was workers' day, so there was no work. Anyways, you guys, happy new month. nothing anymore. Whew. This month is going to be a great month. I can sense that already. It's going to be a great month. So I'm on my way to work. Whew. I'm pretty early today. I'm even surprised.
You guys see the struggle I go through just to create content for you. I was struggling to place my camera. Me no go for. So this is me at work. Nothing so serious. I was just relaxed because it's a Friday. I did a little bit of work in the morning. I was on my work pretty early, so I had time to myself. And during my free time, I just like take courses and make sure I learn a new thing that is going to improve my skill. Because I cannot be whiling away time. Someone did birthday in the next office and the person shared egg roll and Fanta. They should be doing birthday every day, I beg. If you watched this video to this point, I just want to say I love you. You guys are the real MVP. I love you, love you. Okay, just comment happy new month. Comment happy new month. Let me know how many people watched it to this point. We've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in another video. Bye.